Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pangkalan Jati. I am Arianto Acimutakin from Indonesia. Today is very special because I firstly speak English in this channel. Before I never speak English in this channel. Maybe this is very important for us to show all of people in the world about teakwood, especially originally teakwood from Indonesia. Okay, in this channel I show you any woodworker, and especially the teakwood from TPK Perhutani. What is TPK Perhutani? This is the one of factory belong to Indonesian country. We call it BUMN, like like BRI or Pertamina. One of them is Perhutani. Before I continue my speaking, I'm sorry about my speak if there are some wrong, because I just learning English and extra every day. Also, I learn everywhere and every time. Woodworker in the world. Today is very important for me to speak with you, especially for carpenter or woodworker. I will say that you have to make something from teakwood. Yes, make something from teakwood and do something. Yes, you can make anything. You can make door, you can make window, you can make table, you can make chair, and you can make everything. And after that, you can sell it. You sell it for everywhere, for whoever. Maybe today firstly and I continue will make the video by English for my learning speaking English, and for all of carpenter and woodworker. I have wish for the woodworker from Indonesia. They make something and doing something and sell it for all of people in the world directly buying to you, and how it is can run. I will learn it slowly and little by little until we can sell our product directly to the buyer. Yes, but I hope and I wish all of carpenter, all of woodworker, you have to make some product, and after that you collect it and sell it everywhere for whoever. I will help you. I will help you and help myself because my dream, I have market to increase the woodworker, because we have teakwood very much and very good. The teakwood originally from Indonesia is very good. You can look the video in my channel, the teakwood originally from Indonesia, and especially the product of Perhutani. Nice view, and I like it. I do like it. For that reason, I walk in every TPK, in everywhere TPK Perhutani. I walk over there, I look, I make video over there for you, and you can look. This is the originality wood from Indonesia. Yes, maybe I enough here. I'm very glad today I can speak in English in front of you all. In front of you all, maybe there are some wrong. I'm sorry. There are some wrong in my speech, in my speaking. I'm sorry. You can comment in this video. Yes. Tomorrow I will show you some thick wood from TPK Perhutani. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your full attention, and see you later in this channel Pangkalan Jati with me Arianto Ajimutakin. Bye bye.